Assalamu alaikum, and I am back again now with another different paper. We want to do another task now, that is task 4, this question paper, and still we are now doing another question paper but the same application program, and that is a presentation program. And this is a task 4, and this is now task 4, and this is a next question paper. We are supposed to do again another different paper, but the application program we want to do is a presentation program again. So now let's start. You're asked, open a presentation, that is task 4. Open a presentation program and create the slide as they appear in figure 2 using appropriate slide layout. We are going to use the right slide layout, meaning that appropriate slide layout, you should use appropriate slide layout. Then you save the presentation as delivery in the next exam folder. Now we first of all open the presentation program, and then we create this slide. So and then we answer these questions: question B, C, Roman 1, 2, 3, and then question D, whereby we make changes and we save the presentation as delivery in the next exam folder, whereby we print if we are connected to a computer as a handout of 3 slides per page. So now let's start. First of all, we need to open presentation program. Tunaenda kwa search. Okay, tunatafuta presentation program. That is PowerPoint. Tunatafuta PowerPoint, Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Tuna click hapo. Now, after opening the program, now right click hapo. Let's delete this slide. You right click, you delete this slide, you click delete slide. Now let's zoom. Click view, then click zoom, then tuna zoom tuweke 140 so that watu waone vizuri. Percentage tumeweka ngapi? Tunafaa kuweka like for example, wacha tuweke 140. Good. Tumeweka I think ni 100. At least tukaweka 140. 100 is the highest percentage. Sasa tunaweza weka, unajua tukiweka 140 inakataa. Unaona? Tukijaribu kuweka 140 inakataa. 100% is the highest. Tunaweza weka. Okay. So let's click vid to zoom. Then click zoom again. So inakataa hata ukiklik bado. Unaona ni 100%. Let's zoom it 100%. Now let's start. Okay, now we need to start by opening. After opening the program, the presentation program, now we first create this slide. The slide number, we have how many slides? First of all, we have slide number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 5. Now let's start creating the slides. Okay, the first slide is the Peacock Delivery Services Company is the title. Beer Box 55171800700 Nairobi is another placeholder, and that one is a subtitle. Now we need a slide layout called title slide. Sasa let's insert that one. We click home, we click new slide hapo, tunakuja new slide, then tunachukua title slide. Sasa then we start writing. So tunaandika Peacock Delivery. It should be in uppercase, capital letters, should be in capital letters. Peacock Delivery. Peacock Delivery Services Company. That is a title. Peacock Delivery Services Company, that is a title. Let's adjust, let's resize the font size. Tuweke font size kama like for example, let's highlight, Ctrl+A, then tuna highlight, we resize. Now we decrease the size of the font size. Tunaweka like let's say for example tunaweka 28. Sasa okay, then click the another placeholder. The first placeholder we are done. The second placeholder tunaweka subtitle. The first one tumeweka title, the subtitle. That's why it's called, the layout of this slide is called title slide. Sasa then tuandike BO box, BO box, BO box, BO box. Tunaandika BO box 51 718 hyphen alafu 0700. Sasa then click enter, unaandika Nairobi, the city Nairobi. Sasa ukishamaliza, now we are done with the first slide, that is the title slide. Tumemaliza. We go to the second slide, which is now the title and content. Tunaweka title alafu this is the content, BK delivery paka hapo. Sasa let's insert the title and content slide. We click this one. Before we insert, let's click hapo placeholder ya kwanza, because this one is bold. So unaona hapa hivi, this one is also bold. Let's apply bold. Click hapo ndani, control plus A, you highlight first of all, then una click home alafu bold na click. Sasa let's continue now. Let's continue. We insert another type of another layout slide called title and content. That's slide number 2. Title and content. Click home, new slide, title and content. Sasa then tunaweka hapo, then tunaandika about us in capital letters, should be uppercase. Click hapo sasa, about us. Then about us unaweka bold, control plus A, you highlight, then unaweka bold alafu nakuja hapo sasa, then you write Peacock delivery services. Now the content, you write the content, unafuta hiyo bullets alafu unaandika Peacock, you write Peacock delivery services, Peacock delivery services, company offers delivery services, company offers delivery services to different parts, services to different parts of the, yes. Sasa tunaweka size, we highlight alafu let's reduce the font size, tunaweka like 20, wacha tuweke like for example 18. Tukiweka 18 ni sawa. Sasa tunaweka font size 18, and this one I think tunaweka font size like 18 also. This one also should be 18 font size. Now let's continue. Now from there we need to continue writing. This is the content now. Okay, country, tunaandika country, full stop, country. Then we andika we measure on, let's go to the question paper. Inasema nini? We measure on delivery we measure on delivery of perishable and non-perishable goods and then we click enter. Tunaandika parcels, and parcels to various parts of the country, to various parts of the country. Full stop sasa. So now, okay, let's continue now. We write our main offices is located. Our main offices is located. Our main offices is located along Lungalunga. Along Lungalunga. Along Lungalunga. Along Lungalunga Road. Nairobi. Then full stop. Then let's proofread the document. Let's check the errors. Let's ignore this one. Okay, kwa sawa sasa. Now let's now apply bold. So unaona hapa hivi, according to the question paper, our main office is located along Lungalunga Road is in bold. Let's apply bold. To apply bold, we highlight, alafu then tuna click home, alafu click B for bold, or tuna click Control plus B for bold. So now we are done with the second slide. Let's continue with the question paper. We are done with the second slide. Now we are going to third slide. This is the third slide. The third slide. So this one you need to insert a table here. You need to insert a table. Now we are going to use a blank slide. Let's click home. Let's insert a blank slide. New insert. Click new slide. Then blank. Unaona blank slide hapo hivi. Let's click that one. That is the layout we want, because we want to insert what? A table. Sawa. Let's go back to question. How many rows do we have and columns? Columns tuko na 1, 2 according to the question paper. Rows ni 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 rows and 2 columns. That is 6 by 2. Sasa, let's insert 6 rows and 2 columns. Click insert, then table. Unaona table hapa hivi, you click insert, then click insert table. Because why do we use the table? Why do we use the menu bar? Why do we use the menu bar when inserting the table? Because this slide is a blank slide. It does not have that feature. It does not have the icons whereby you can click that icon and then you insert the table. Haina hiyo feature. It does not have such features to insert table. Sasa, then direct, instead you use this menu bar. Sasa, click hapo home, then click insert, then unachukua hii table. Yes, una click insert table, unaweka columns 2. Rows ni 6, unaweka 6 rows, then you click OK. As simple as that. Then what are you supposed to do? You are supposed to change the design of this table. Click hapo ndani, you click design, unakuja hapo, then unachukua this design. Remember to check this design. Hii design inaitwaje? No style. Unaona? Inaitwa no style table grids. Unaona? Unachukua hiyo like that. Very good. Then you need to merge the cells here. Like this one hapo. Are we together? This one is not like Microsoft Word whereby you can merge this. You can merge the cells, yes, but it's not like word processing program. Then highlight, then right click, then click merge cells like that. So unaona nimekata hiyo row. Sawa. Then what are you supposed to do here? You are supposed to write total deliveries to different areas in the month of April. Let's write total deliveries in capital letters. Total deliveries to different areas total deliveries to different areas in the month of April, in the month of April, then you need to highlight alafu weke center, highlight alafu peleka center alignment. Sasa that is it. Good. Then na click hapo, then unaandika areas hapo, unaandika areas hapo, then hapo pia unaandika delivery, then unaanza kujaza Kisumu areas, unaandika Kisumu. Hiyo ngine ni Eldoret. Hiyo ngine ni Nyeri, tunaandika Nyeri. The other one is Mombasa. Good. Sasa tujaze hiyo ya delivery 15,000. Naweka 15,000, comma 25,000 alafu 25,00 iko na comma separator, I mean 1,000 separator, like 1,000 separator. 10,000 naweka comma, after 25,000 ni 10,000. Sasa 40,000 ndio mwisho, delivery ni 40,000. Good. Now we are done. So we are done with this table, as you can see on the question paper and on my work. So now we are done inserting the table in slide number 3. We have used blank slide. Unaona, we have used blank slide. Let's prove this. Kisumu tuna ignore hii iko sawa. There is no spelling errors. There is no errors here. Hakuna errors. There are no errors. We just right click and then we ignore all. Sasa Mombasa. Are you together? Okay, now we are done. Okay, now let's continue with the question paper. We are done with slide number 3. Tuende kwa slide number 4. Slide number 4 is deliveries made to different parts of the country. This slide layout is title and content. Why? We need to insert a column bar chart in slide 4. Unaona, unafaa kuweka column bar chart in slide 4 to display the information in slide 3. Inafaa ionyeshe slide 3 information yake, like for example hii table ndo information yake unafaa kujaza kwa Excel, Microsoft Excel. You need to put that data into that. Sasa let's continue and create that slide, which is title and content. Click home, new slide, title and content. Sasa this time round tunachukua title and content, then tunaandika hapa, this is the title, deliveries made to different parts of the country. First placeholder tunachukua, alafu tuna click kwanza ndani ya first placeholder tunaandika deliveries in capital letters, should be uppercase. Deliveries made to different parts, different parts of the country, Then let's resize. Control+A, tuna highlight yote the text, then tunaweka font size like 20 sasa ama 28. Let's say for example tuweke like 24. Sawa. Let's now continue that slide. We are done. Okay, that's slide number 4. This is a question. Tumemaliza slide number 4. Tunakuja hapa slide 5. We are almost done with creating the slides. Slide number 5 is title only. So unaona, the slide layout is called title only in slide number 5. Tunachagua or we insert title only, the slide layout called title only. So unaona title only hapa, una click hiyo because this is a title. Tunaandika tu title peke yake, whereby tunaandika thank you for being a customer. That is the last title. I mean the last slide that is slide number 5 tunaandika thank you for being a customer, good. Thank you for being a customer. Sasa tunaweka bold control plus B, tunaweka bold hiyo. Good, that is the title slide, and this one was the other slide. So this slide tumesahau slide number 4, tunafaa kuweka bold, control plus A tuna highlight, alafu B tunaweka bold hiyo. Sasa let's go back to our slide number 5. Sasa tumechukua title only. Slide number 5, remember, is the slide layout is title only, whereby tumeweka title thank you for being a customer. Sasa we need to highlight, alafu tuweke underline style, double underline style. Tuna highlight hivi, we click home, alafu underline style ndio hii. Unaona this underline style? Yes, tunaweka hiyo. So unaona sasa. So I think this one does not have a double underline style. Let's highlight it like this way. We go to font, click font, and then underline style unakuja hapa. Unaona hapa hivi? Yes, unachagua hapo. Una click hapo, then click hapo. Like that. That's called underline style. So now turudie tena, you need to highlight. First of all, you click hapa ndani placeholder, control plus A, you need highlight. You highlight it like that way. You click home. Ukiclick home, uanze kwa click hii underline. So unaona hii underline peke yake inakupatia underline moja. So unaona that is a single underline style nakupatia. So ile kitu tunataka according to the question paper inasema uweke double underline style. So unaona iko na double underline style. So weka double underline style, you need to highlight, alafu unaweka double underline style. Sasa by clicking home, una click home, unakuja una click hapa font. Unaona hii font? Hii icon sasa hapa font. Unaona hapa hii icon font hapo. After clicking home, unakuja hii una click hapo. Then unakuja hapa kwa font underline style. Unaona hapa hivi underline style. Unakuja hapa underline style, unachukua underline style mbili. Unaona hii ni mbili sasa umechukua. Ndio hii unachagua hiyo double underline style, double line. Unachukua double line, click okay. As simple as that. Sasa now we are done creating the slides. That is slide number 1 up to slide number 5. We have created 5 slides. Now it is time to save the work as presented as delivery. Let's save as delivery. Click up office button. You can even as well use Control plus S, whereby you save using keyboard shortcut Control plus S for saving the file. Sasa, so click up a desktop, then unaandika hapa delivery. Unaona hapa hivi? You just write delivery. Unaandika hapa delivery. Sasa delivery, you click save. So ukiangalia title bar ya Microsoft PowerPoint imechange. Inaonyesha the file name and also the application name, which is Microsoft PowerPoint, and the file name which is delivery. Now we are done creating all the slides. That is slide number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sasa, now let's answer the questions. Let's go back to question paper. We are done with question A, whereby we have created the slides and we have saved the presentation as slides on the desktop. Sasa, and some of you guys, you know how to create a folder na kuweka hiyo kazi kwa folder. Hiyo sitaki kurudia tena. Slide question B. Insert a column bar chart in slide 4 to display the information in slide 3. We are supposed to insert a column bar chart in slide 4 to display the information in slide 3. Tunafaa kuweka slide 4 hapa. Unaona hapa hivi slide 4. Hii slide 4. Yes, this one. Ndio tunataka kuweka. Let's click kwanza slide 4. Then we insert. Tunaweka nini? A column bar chart. Una click hapo. After clicking the slide 4, then how do you insert? This is the title and content only. Remember, the title and content will give you icons. These are called icons, whereby you can insert table, you can insert chart, you can insert smart art graphic, you can insert media clip. Media means unaweza weka videos, tutorials, unaweza weka picha, unaweza weka movies, like that, whereby you can upload. Unaweza weka clip art, picture, or maybe uchukue uweke picha ya ng'ombe, picha ya binadamu, picha ya computer, alafu whereby unaweza weka picha from the file, whereby a picture from the file means that the picha ambayo umeweka kutoka simu yako using USB cable, umetransfer kutoka simu yako umeweka kwa computer, then from the file where maybe kwa desktop ama kwa my document ama downloads umeweka ama kwa downloads umeweka. Now let's start now inserting the column bar chart. To insert the column bar chart in this particular slide layout called title and content, first of all you need to point the icon ambaye unaona hapa hivi, you need to insert. Unaona una click hapa mahali inasema insert chart, hiyo icon ya tatu. Remember we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 icons tuna click hiyo icon ya insert chart. Tukisha click hapa, what do you want to insert? We want to insert a column bar chart in slide 4 to display the information in slide 3. Ionyeshe information ya slide 3. Sasa bar chart tuna click hapa bar. So unaona hivi bar. Tuna click column bar chart, si ndio? Tukiclick bar alafu tunakuja hapa juu. We point sasa. Unaona hapa hivi? Clustered column, we have the stacked column, we have this one. So we take the clustered column like that one, or we do it insert. We click bar chart, then we click OK direct. Are we together? Now after clicking direct unapata easy. You need to now to delete all these things. After deleting, you need now to enter the data in slide 3. Unaona slide 3, tukuja hapa slide 3. So tuko hapa slide 3. Yes, tunakuja hapa slide 3 whereby we only take this one. We just copy paste this time round because of time. We don't want to insert again by entering this data, right? You highlight it like that, then you copy and then you paste it here. Sasa unakuja hapo, then Ctrl+V, you paste it like that way. Sasa then after pasting you resize, then unatoa all borders hapo, remove all borders, nasema no borders. Sasa hatutaki borders, unapeana space hapo. Yes, as simple as that. That's the only thing we need here. So you resize the rows, also, then una resize the column, Okay, now we are done. So now instead of now entering the data from using slide 3 in your question paper, sasa hiyo table hiyo data yenye iko kwa table, instead of entering that data into this worksheet, you just simply copy and paste. Sasa now what are we supposed to do? We just close the window. Unaona hapa hivi, you just click hapo, close the window. Yes, as simple as that. Unaona, this is now the chart. Wamesema tuweke insert a column bar chart in slide 4 to display the information in slide 3. Tumeweka. Good. This is our chart. Okay, now we need to format this chart. We are not done with this chart. So let's format the chart. Click hapo ndani, click design, tunachukua layout hapo. Sawa. Then tunachukua layout 4. Tuchukua layout 4 inakaa hivyo. So unaona bado. Are we together? Let's take this design. Let's format it. We don't need to format. Let's now go to design. Let's take another type. Unaona venye nakaa like this way. So unaona. So now we need now to do this unaona chart venye sahi inatoka mbaya. Because why? Because we have used I think we have used the wrong one. Sasa so unaona hata ukikuja slide layout 4 inakuonyesha hivyo bado. Unaona? Yeah, it simply shows you like that. So unaona? Now let's first of all delete this. Let's now delete this first of all. To delete here. Sasa now let's again come back and insert the chart. Now we don't want to insert the chart. Let's change this slide 4 layout. Una click up and ndani, you change the slide layout. Tunabadilisha slide layout tunachukua like for example let's take for example title only like that one. Sasa now let's insert using the menu bar. Using menu bar in Microsoft PowerPoint, let's insert the way we have used menu bar. Remember this one, they have used menu bar when inserting table. Let us use now menu bar when inserting column bar chart in slide 4 using the information in slide 3. Sasa now let's click insert tutumie menu bar. These are menu bar. Remember these are menu bar: insert, design, animation. These are called menu bar. Sasa hata Microsoft Word or word processing programs ziko na menu bar: home, insert, lakini haina animation na slide show hizo vitu, because that menu bar is quite different from this one in this application program called Microsoft PowerPoint. Sasa let's click insert. Then what do we want to insert? Charts, ndio. Then let's click charts. Bar, tuchukue bar. So unaona hii ndio bar. Sasa tukichukua bar, we take it column bar chart. So unaona walisema column bar chart, a column bar chart. Yes, tuna click your column bar chart, click OK. Are we together? Now you get this one. After getting this one, now you need to highlight all of them, then you delete. Sasa then unakuja hapo. Let's come here. Then we need to highlight this one. We need to copy this one also. Copy and then paste it here the way we have done it here. Let's resize here. Let's resize it here. Let's tutoe hiyo all borders, tuseme no borders. As simple as that. Sasa then click example. Then before we click delivery, unaona hiyo imeandikwa delivery hapo. Yes, delivery areas, alafu delivery, then click hapo X like that. So this is a chart now imewekwa hapo. So the chart displays itself like this way. So unaona, now we need to change the chart. Right click, change chart type, click chart type. This is column na, si ndio? Tuweke bar chart, click bar chart, then click OK. So unaona venye inakaa bado. Let's change it again, change chart type, click like that, then click bar chart. Let's click this stacked column chart, click OK. This one is totally different. Let's click up on ndani, let's click design, let's take layout 4. Okay, bado still it does not show. Let's click up, let's change, let's reset to match style, right click, change. Bar chart, it's a column bar chart. Let's take that one. Unaona hiyo venye inakaa that one. Let's take this one. Bar chart, these are the bar chart. Remember these are the bar chart. We are supposed to take this one. So unaona hapa hivi. Let's take this one. These are called bar chart. Unaona venye inakaa? Yes. Let's click edit the data. I think data iko sawa. The data is good to go now. Okay, let's click example now. Good. This is our chart now. So remember, this is a chart and it shows the areas, that is Mombasa, Nyeri, Eldoret, Kisumu. Those are the 4 regions. Kisumu, Mombasa, Nyeri, then Kisumu na Eldoret. So now these are the delivery now. So let's now use the layout 4. Click up on ndani, click hapa ndani, I mean this, click inside the chart, click layout, unaenda kwa layout 4, I mean design, click design, unakuja hapa layout 4. Yes, unaona layout 4 inaonyesha the delivery. Unaona paka inaonyesha the delivery. Yes, that's what I wanted. Then click hapo, click this one, delete this one. Yes, click hapo tena pia, click again, delete this one. So this is now column bar chart, as you can see. Sasa, this is how you are going to insert the column bar chart, because horizontally inaonyesha inaonyesha the delivery. Sasa, and kila mtu, kila region, Mombasa, Nyeri, Mombasa iko na 40,000, Nyeri iko na 10,000, as you can see. Eldoret iko na 25,000, Kisumu iko na 15,000. Sasa, that's how you insert a column chart, a column bar chart. Click hapo inside. Let's click design, we change the design. Tuchukue kama hiyo design ndio mzuri. Let's take that design. Okay, now let's continue with the other question. And then we click here, tuna delete here. We click this one, we click again, tuna delete here like that. Sasa, now let's continue. This is our delivery. This legend inaonyesha our delivery here. Na unaona kila mtu akona, kila region ikona delivery yake. Sasa, and the amount inaonyesha. So let's continue with the question. Okay, now we are done with question B by inserting column bar chart in slide 4 to slide 3. Sasa slide 4 si tuko hapa slide 4 tukaweka bar chart. So let's continue with the question now. Question C, Roman 1, inasema apply each of the following to all slides. Tuna apply to all slides. That is slide number 1 up to 5. Slide design of your choice. Unaweka slide design of your choice. Okay, these are all slides. We have created 5 slides from slide number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slide design of your choice. First of all, you need to click design. Then which design tunataka, tunachukua hiyo. We click this one. We apply to all slides. Let's take this one. I want this one. Yeah, this design is opulent. I want opulent design. Let's tuweke opulent. Unaona opulent venye naka. Let's now, wacha tuweke hii design flow. Wacha tuweke flow. That is a design that I want. And unaweza weka pia equity. Unaweza weka pia design, any design of a choice. Unajua these guys wamekwambia any design. So mi wacha niweke flow. Mi nataka flow. Hii design naitwanga flow. Wacha ni click hii flow. Click kwanza design. Mi nachagua design yangu ya flow. You can take any design. You can take foundry. Unaweza chukua hii design. Let me just take mine. I prefer this design. Slide design choice. Let me just click flow. Unaona flow? Let me just click that one. I like flow. So unaona? Mi nimechagua flow. Unaweza chukua any slide design of your choice. Sasa mi nimechukua flow. To all slides, it should be applied to all slides. Okay, now let's continue with the question. You are asked now again, question C, Roman 2, slideshow to set loop continuously until escape key is pressed. Let us set slideshow. How do you set slideshow? Unakuja una click slideshow hapo. Kwanza you click slideshow hapo, then you click setup. Unaona hapa hivi setup? You click hapa setup slideshow. Alafu unaweka tick hii box ya loop. Unaona hii box ya loop? Unaweka tick. Kwa sababu wamesema loop continuously until escape key. Go back to the question paper. Slideshow set to loop continuously until escape key is pressed. Unaona? So let us loop continuously. Tumeweka hiyo box. Unaona hiyo? Unaweka hiyo box tick because wamekwambia you should loop continuously until escape key is pressed. Sasa then you click okay. You are done with that dialog box. Na umeset, unaweka hiyo tick hiyo box ya kuset loop continuously until escape key is pressed. Sasa, now let's go to the other question. That's question C, Roman 3. We are done with question C, Roman 2, whereby we have set the slideshow to loop continuously until escape key is pressed. Question C, Roman 3. Insert a slide number as a footer. And I know everybody knows how to insert. That one we have done in our first practical session in this particular presentation program. Sasa, how do you insert? You click insert first of all. Hapo una click insert, unakuja hapa slide numbers. Unaona hapa slide number. I have used the first paper that I did, ilikuwa nimetumia head and footer. Unaona nimetumia, una click head and footer, whereby unaweza weka slide number hapo, then unasema apply to all. Hiyo nimetumia as a head and footer. Hiyo ni step ya kwanza unatumia. This time round it's another different tutorial. Somehow we normally use another different step or another way or another different way of doing or inserting slide number. Ya kwanza nimekuonyesha, unaenda insert, alafu whereby you click header and footer, una click hapa hii tick box ya slide number, alafu unaweka apply to all. Hapana, hiyo situmii this time round. This time around I'm using another method. Natumia method nyingine tofauti. Sasa how you click insert first of all, unakuja slide number, una click slide number. Header and footer pia unaweza tumia kuinsert. Sasa slide numbers, let me use another one. You can also use slide number to insert slide numbers. Una click insert hapo, unakuja una click slide number. Unaona hapa ni slide number, click hapo slide number. Sasa ukiclick slide number, bado unapata the same dialog box hapo. Wacha nilete hapa dialog box. Let me drag and drop this dialog box here, muone vizuri. So then you click hii box ya slide number. Unaona hiyo ni another way of inserting slide number to all slides. Una click hii box, tick, unaweka tick, you check that box, unaweka tick, then you click apply to all. Unaona? So unaona every slide iko na slide number. Ukiclick hapa la slide number 1 inaonyesha slide number 1 ndio hii hapa. Slide number 2 inaonyesha 2. So unaona? 3 inaonyesha 3. So unaona? Alafu ukiclick hapa 4 inaonyesha 4. So unaona? Like that way. As simple as that. Are we together? Now, let's resize because of the design yenye tumetumia. Let's resize tuweke paka hapo. Yes. Let's resize. Good, like that way. Sasa, now let's continue. Unaona, this is slide number 4, inaonyesha 4 ndio hii. Unaona, ukiclick hii slide inaonyesha slide number 5, alafu hivyo. So unaona, as simple as that. So now we are done with question C Roman 3, whereby we inserted a slide number as a footer using different method. The first method nimeonyesha on how to insert slide number is the method of using header and footer. Remember, you use footer to insert slide number because a slide number inaonyesha at the bottom, si ndio? Like this one, angalia hapo, inaonyesha at the bottom. The second method nimetumia ni nimeclick insert nikatumia slide number. So naona nikaclick slide number, whereby nimeclick key box, nikaclick apply to all. Sawa. Okay, now let's continue. Now we are done with question C Roman 3. Question D, you save the changes to print out later delivery as handouts of 3 slides. Wamesema this time round handouts of 3 slides per page. So let's click hapo kwanza. Let's open the program, presentation program. Let's click hapo office button. Let's click save. Why? Because we want to save, because we have already made changes. Click hapo save. Tumesave sasa. Now what do you want to do now? We need to print, if you are connected to a printer using 3 slides per page. Sasa, I mean you need to print the delivery as a handouts of 3 slides per page. Of 3 slides per page. Unakuja una click hapo office button, una click hapo print. Unaona hapa hivi print, una click hapo print, alafu you get a dialog box ya hii ya kuprint, hii ya settings. Sasa unakuja hapa print what do you want to print? Handouts. Unakuja una click hapa, unachukua handouts. Remember that you are connected to a printer. Sawa. Slides unachukua 3. This time round wamesema 3. So now go back to the question paper, wanasema 3 slides per page. Sasa then you click OK, then you print. So now as simple as that. Let's cancel because we are not connected to a printer. So now we are done with the question paper today. Inshallah, tomorrow we will continue with other question papers, and I wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.